An Introvert's Guide to Talking to Your Crush. It's already known that introverts are shy people that find it hard even to express themselves, let alone talk to the opposite sex. This doesn't have to be this way, because successfully talking to the opposite sex wasn't built or reserved for only the confident and extroverted. Now the big question is, how can the shy and introverted ones approach their crush of the opposite sex without feeling awkward again? Be your real self. Introverts face many pressures trying to be like the extroverts because they feel that the people of the opposite sex will never find them attractive enough because they're not as outgoing as their extroverted counterparts. Because of this, some introverts try to be like the extroverts, thereby ending up in the wrong side of the train because you have to pretend to be who you are that you're not, and it will eventually turn people off when they find out. So the best thing to do is be your real self. Don't try to be who you're not. Be the person that you are. Be the person that your friends and loved ones love being with. And with that, you're sure to get better than that crush of yours. As an introvert, you're more creative, better at listening to people, and you're more perceptive. So use these strengths to your advantage. Talk to your crush about what they're interested in. You're naturally shy of talking to someone, but eventually you have to introduce yourself to others. And once this is done, you can start from little talks and develop into more significant discussions. One good way of keeping the conversation alive with someone you've just met recently is by making sure that most of the discussion is about things they're interested in. The reason for this is so that the discussion does not bore your crush. Taking time to listen to them can also bring you closer together. Talk about what makes you interesting. You might think this is a selfish idea, but no, it's not. Talking about yourself becomes selfish when all you do from the beginning of the conversation to the end is talk about yourself. Talking about what makes you interesting might mean that you're talking about the things you love doing, your unique skills that she might be interested in, and teach her something you know that she does not know. Doing all this brings you closer to your dream crush. When talking about yourself, try to be as real as possible, no faking, and make sure to say only the truth. This can also be made simpler if your crush decides to ask you an open-ended question about yourself. This is a green light for you to literally sell yourself to them in a short but concise manner. Also, find out the common things between you guys, what you both love to do, and try to do them together. Make sure to keep your cool and not allow yourself to be carried away and make the conversation entirely about yourself. If she's getting bored, change the subject or let her get a word in.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.